How to edit photo colors on Lightroom. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to color correction on Lightroom easily. First thing, go to Lightroom. Now upload your photo or from here, or choose if you have one here, for example like me. Now if you want to edit the colors professionally, or what you have to do is go down here and swipe right, click on color right here. Now, or what you have to do is take this one to the blue like this. As you can see, if the photo is yellow, you do like this, then take this tint here like this and go to the vibrance and take it until you see the colors that are good. As you can see, let's make this one more or less, and here you go. Now let's see the saturation. Now the colors are more better than what it was. As you can see, this is before and this is after. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.